number 46. Sthir Sukham Asanam. Posture is that which is firm and pleasant. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. Now comes asana, posture. Until you can get a firm seat, you cannot practice the breathing and other exercise. Firmness of seat means that you do not feel the body at all. In the ordinary way, you will find that as soon as you sit for a few minutes, all sorts of disturbances comes into the body. But when you have got beyond the idea of a concrete body, you will lose all sense of the body. You will feel neither pleasure nor pain, and when you take your body up again, it will feel so rested. It is the only perfect rest that you can give to the body. When you have succeeded in conquering the body and keeping it firm, your practice will remain firm. But while you are disturbed by the body, your nerves become disturbed and you cannot concentrate the mind. To Shlok number 47. Prayatna Shathi Lyant Samapatti Vyama. By lessening the natural tendency for restlessness and meditating on the unlimited, posture becomes firm and pleasant. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. We can make the seat firm by thinking of the infinite. We cannot think of the absolute infinite, but we can think of the infinite. Shlok number 48. Tato dvanda nabhighataha. Seat being conquered, the dualities do not obstruct. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The dualities, good and bad, heat and cold, and all the pairs of opposites will not then disturb you. Shlok number 49. Tasmin sati shwas prashwas yogair tivi chedaha pranayamaha. Controlling the motion of the exhalation and the inhalation follows after this. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. When posture has been conquered, then the motion of the prana is to be broken and controlled. Thus we come to pranayama, the controlling of the vital forces of the body. Prana is not breath, though it is usually so translated. It is the sum total of the cosmic energy. It is the energy that is in each body, and its most apparent manifestation is the motion of the lungs. This motion is caused by prana drawing in the breath, and it is what we seek to control in pranayama. We begin to controlling the breath as the easiest way to getting control of the prana. Number 50. Bhaya abhyantar तंभ वृत्ति देश काल संख्या भी परिदृष्टो दीर्घ सूक्ष्म. Its modification are either external or internal or motionless, regulated by place, time and number, either long or short. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The three sorts of motion of pranayama are: one by which we draw the breath in, another by which we throw it out and the mind, and the third action is when the breath is held in the lungs or stopped from entering the lungs. These again are varied by place and time. By place is meant that the prana is held to some particular part of the body. By time is meant how long the pranaya should be confined to a certain place, and so we are told how many seconds to keep one motion and how many seconds to keep another. The result of this pranayama is udghata, awakening the kundalini.